Hi guys and girls out there. I know it has been a while since the last movie I made. So I thought about what I was gonna make on YouTube and if I wanted to do anything about it. So I decided I want to make a movie about my HTC Desire. Uh, so I will start off unboxing it. I should tell you that I have already used it for like half a year, so it isn't really that new to me. But I don't know, maybe you are considering buying it, then I'll gladly make the unboxing for you. When you open the box, if you buy the phone, of course, I would use care because I opened the box like this, and the phone fell right off. And I almost cried there. I honestly did. So, but anyways, here the phone, the package. See, I did, I did it right there. And almost there again. The package. In the box, you get your phone, of course. Your battery. Don't know if you can see that. The battery. You got this plastic thing you gotta open it with. And then your battery here is on, let me see, 1400 million amperes hours. So when you're taking your battery out, there's this hole where you can pull on, and then you'll get all the manuals, warranty statements, contact us, and what so and what forth. Putting them aside, and let's take a look inside the box. Whoa, even more papers. In the box you get, let me just fix the lightning here. In the box you get the charger, which I apparently broke. My uncle stepped on it. So I'm using another charger now, but it will look like this. And your earphones with audio controls on it, and they aren't that good. If you have someone from an MP3 player, I would keep them. And then of course a clamp to your headphones, and a micro USB to USB cable, which you can charge it with also. That's all in the box. It's empty now. Let's take a look at the phone. Well, it feels kind of light when there ain't no battery in it, so let's put the battery in. Yep. I'm just gonna get my SIM card. I'll be back in just a moment. So, I got my SIM card, and let's continue. You put it in here, and then the battery goes in there too. And I should probably say there's a 4 GB micro SD included. So that's pretty nice. Ooh. Let's boot this thing up. I pushed the boot button, and let's wait and see what happens. There you go. You're at the home screen now. And as I said, I've used it before, so that's why you see this background and stuff like that. But anyways, that was the unboxing of my HTC Desire. Hope you like it. Just some extras. I bought 2 cases with it the half year I got it. I'm using this now, but I also bought a rubbery case. And let me put it on the phone and you can see what it's like. This rubbery case is like 0.5 millimeter thick, so I don't use it anymore. I think the phone is getting too thick when I'm typing and watching the internet and so forth. I'm using this now because it's very thin and it still provides some cover for my phone. Plus it came with a screen protector, sorry. I'm a bit sick today, so that's why my voice is all grumpy. It also came with a screen protector, which I actually like, but I gotta change it because it's pretty beat up. Yep, that was all. Signing out.